Yan na siya. Diba? Third coating natin, oh. Nadumi yan, no? Nawakan kasi. Yan siya. Yan, na-prep na natin dalawa na yan. Sa muesol natin. Na-prep ko na. Naliya ko na rin to, puro kalawang na to eh. Pati ito naman ano, bakbak yung pintura niya. Na-prep na natin. Niliya natin. Tapos sinigasan natin mabuti. Pares yan. Yes. First coating tayo dyan. Epoxy primer. Coating lang, manipis lang. Sa second tsaka third tayo magkakapal. After 15 minutes, buga tayo, mainit naman panahon, madaling matayo. 15 minutes, okay na yun. Basta mainit ang panahon. Second coating. Namuti-muti na siya. Puti na siya. Third coating pa tayo para mawala yung mga gas-gas ng ano, ng paglihan natin kanina. 15 minutes ulit, sabay third tayo. Yung ulit, 15 minutes na eh. Third coating tayo. Last coat na primer. Last coat primer. Last coat na yan. Builder. Epoxy primer.
Builder, baka naman.
gano'ng kaganda. Primer. Solid. Sa likod oh. Simpan natin yan. Sabay ano tayo. Top coat. Black tsaka silver.
3 hours later.
Lilihain ko lang ng 600 grit. Ito. 600. Yan, para matanggal yung mga ano niya. Mga talsik. Ito kahit di na dito. Pero lilihain pa rin natin dalawa na yun. Hindi ko na mapakita. Lilihain ko na ano. Tubig na may sabon. Yung dishwashing. Sabay ihugasan natin mabuti. Sabay buga tayo ng black. Pares black na to. Kasi magpipintura ko ng white mugs eh. Yun. Black na lang to parehas. Para isang bugahan lang.
20 minutes later.
Yan, nalihan na natin ng 600. Sabay inanlawan natin ng ano. Mabuti. Sinabon tsaka inanlawan. Pagkatuyo niyan, buga na tayo. Press coating tayo dyan. Jet black.
Excuse me po.
Alam na. Yan, press coating. Para siyang flat pa siya. Konting ano pa. Miss coat lang. Miss coat. Bubulol pa, no? Mamaya pa. Flat black siya, tignan, no? Jet black po yan, ha? Jet black. Pag napatungan natin ng ano mamaya, yan. Ng clear. Ganda niyan. Mamaya bukas sa siguro. Coating tayo. Second coating, jet black. Yan yung base coat natin. Black na siya. Diba? It's the light. Ayan, block na siya. Ayan, mag-third coating tayo. Para maanoan yung mga maninipis pa na ano. Coating na. Bukas na tayo mag clear coat, top coat clear. Siyempre ansal pa rin. Ansal gamit natin. Ansal, baka naman.
Tomorrow.
Yan, ito na siya, tuyo na. Medyo maano siya. Ililihan natin siya ng 1,000. 800 sana, wala ko 800 eh. 1,000 na lang. Wet sanding ulit, wet sanding. Yan. Hindi ko nakapakita paano lihain. Ano lang yung tubig na may ano lang. Sabon. Yun lang naman yun. Mamaya pag tuyo, bugahan na natin ng top coat clear, ansal syempre. Yan, nalihan na natin yan. Tingnan nyo, namumuti-muti siya. Okay lang, ganyan talaga yan. Pagkaliha, syempre sabunin natin ng maayos. Sabi anlaw. Pag natuyo to, buga na tayo. Yun lang yan. Pag nag-shortcut ka, palpak ang gawa. Kailangan step by step. Kaya mabuti. Matanggal yung mga grasa-grasa niya. Pag biniguan natin, bukol-bukol yan, pangit. Okay?
1 hour later.
Coating tayo ng top coat clear. Ito gamit natin. Yan. Car show. Ansal lang sa kalam. Baka naman. Coating.
Twenty minutes later.
Second coating tayo. No copyright. May nag-video ka dyan eh. Hey! Internet? Nagamit nyo. Ito bago? Kaya ko lang nagiging. Lagi ginagawa niya. Pag-aral. Kasi ito, second coating tayo. No copyright. May nag-video ka dyan eh. Hey! Internet? Ya? Nagamit nyo. Ito bago? Lagi ginagawa niya. Pag-aral. Coating. Magintab na siya. Lilihain ko pa yan para sa third coating natin bukas.
Tomorrow.
Ayan. Lasbugan na natin sa ano. Top coat clear, Ansal. Car show.
Mali ako na palain ng 1,000. Tapos sinabon, mamabuti at inanlaban ko.
Okay lang ito. Yan na siya. Third coating natin. Naglalaway. Ano pa yan? Huwag lang umulan. Yun o. Goods na. Yan siya. Goods na.
Tomorrow.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?